Wow.
What are you doing here?
Oh, I just thought I'd drop in. Did you build all these?
Me and my dad.
Wow, this is incredible. It's like being in a real live Western.
Howdy, partner. Draw, you lily-livered, yellow-bellied son of a one-eyed prairie dog.
I'm trying to concentrate.
Oh, sorry. Is that a train?
What's it look like, Picklehead?
Can we play with it? Please, 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 please. Help! Somebody help me! Help! Please, somebody help me! Please! Ta-da! Thank you.
You're
Thank you very
crazy.
much. Thank you. Thank
Hey.
you.
I have an idea. Hop in.
Wow. A roadster.
Go ahead, check it out. Stuart, what's wrong?
Nothing. It's the first time I fit in since I got here. What's that?
Oh, that's a wasp.
Wow. She's beautiful.
Yeah, but she's not finished.
When are you gonna finish it?
Well, me and my dad were building her, but I decided to stop.
How come?
I'm too little for a race like that.
Little? You're not little. Well, not to me.
Stuart, you've never seen one of these races. There's hundreds of people there, everybody from school. I mean, what if she lost?
Well, at least she'll have been somewhere. Come on, George. What do you say? Let's get started.
You know, I'm not really sure I want a brother.
Well, how about a friend?
I guess I could always use a friend.
George,
Yes, Dad?
Have you seen Stuart?
He's down here with me.
what are you doing to him?
He's helping me finish the wasp.
That's wonderful, son. That's terrific.
Can't race her like this, right, George?
Right?
When's the next race?
2 days.
2 days?
We'll be ready.
Well, how about we all go together?
That's a wonderful idea.
That would be great.
All of us together. The whole family. The whole family. Oh.